I wish I'm for with a quick one. Money are there. I'll call your group work the Abba. Bcos of Ablakwa. Bcos of Ablakwa. You see, Bcos of Tonti. Only 3 months visa. Say we call US. Now we can call the 1 day impo. And now say, oh baby, emergency do Ghana ha. And see, you want to come back and then return to US ha. You cannot do that any longer because Bcos of Ablakwa or he stubborn proud. Who plane and they call US and US for foreign affairs committee chairman AyEka TikTok Twitter say tina we fake kakra na wo omanya wo free mu no omanya dika na omanya dika na de bia sorry a wo full plane untina bebe fako na papa nkasa sema Bcos to yan stubborn proud ono so eko Facebook any Twitter na na okoyanu oyanu no oyanu no onya de no slow ena oya papa no te say papa no onim na okeka afere no say Donald Trump nso de on fan ya ma bi sanche enti Donald Trump onya ti ya say oyani stubborn proud Bcos of Ablakwa etimi draw cause assembly sa won the page soon kwan dia and I say okay and way there make Ghana for say to me ebro to me so enti ya semo munim say businessmen bi wo ho these businessmen they go to US to go and buy things and come back, right? And to a businessman sometimes you 5 years who can now call it 2 days 3 days, and so after that you come back and go anytime else within the scheduling of your visa. You have that permission to do so. Any single entry, it means multiple entry until that 5 years expires, you have the visa that is valid. Now, because of Bcos indiscretion, Bcos incompetence, he said, "We are businessman. You can no longer have access to that." What is going to happen? And he say, you will have to be applying every single time as a businessman. Now already, him say, U.S. Embassy Ghana Hano. Already there's an issue with it. A lot of backlogs. Nkofobia apply for visa even 2 years ni omunya sorti omu out to the extent that Ghanaians have to be resorting now to Ivory Coast for and otherwise. I remember the recent American lottery applications. Most of Ghanaians they were going to Ivory Coast to go and apply, right? Some are even going to Togo to go and apply. So the US embassy here is already overloaded. So as a businessman, they say, if you get 3 months visa, and it has to be a single entry. You have to go in, come out, and apply again, go through the line, the queue. You can imagine how it's going to affect your business. But you see, what we tell Ghanaians say, every single vote has its implications. You thought we were joking? Even the people who should have known better, people who should have known better, people who have traveled outside the country, who should know better and tell those back home here that the bill was NPP for Kikano, nukre. Ya to kwano it means say and give a chance to MPP to break the 8 so that they can continue whatever they are saying they will do. They also join into the Quen propaganda and a Quen and a 24-hour economy and all their sempana ba. They are sempa abano and ebini single entry no. But on a hindsight, let me thank President Donald Trump any US for. Now, me I've been maintaining say you cannot be part of destroying this country. Then after you are done there, you want to run away. You want to run away to where? Where do you want to run to? You cannot run away. You were part of this country. You went to decide, you went to vote for Abubuya and the Politics and the others. You went to vote for them. Now, after voting for those things, you there because you know one or two people in US, you want to run away. No. We will not allow anybody to run away. Nobody is running away. We are all staying here. We are all suffering. We are all suffering from the queen phenomenon, the queen disease and all. We will all undergo it together. So I'm happy. It's a good news for me. Nobody is running anyway. Oko 3 months now, back to the heat. Let's all suffer together. In 2028, when you go and stand in front of the ballot box and you have the ballot paper in your hand and you vote for the wrong candidate, you will stand, go back, correct your mistake, come back again before submitting your vote. And say everybody will learn sense. Everybody is beginning to see and to get to their smoothness level. And I mean the power. With this judgment there, it came so early on Ghanaians. This judgment, smooth judgment, quick judgment. Nobody is left behind. All of us will be in the heat. You want to vote for a vice president like Jinana Pokwajiman when there was Napo, and then after voting for said people, you want to run away because you now was sika. Yeah, any sika the entity. Yes, sir. I mean, never chamuka. We will all be in this heat. Welcome to the motherland, Ghana, land of freedom. We will all be here. Yes.
Nenufu sinsin. Odi doctor in the office. Or boy juma. What's a doctor? Don't know they be okwe juma. Anopa ho machine free ho. Yes. Or J Ghana who find the solutions, Ghana problems. It's doctor only they be na dream. Yes, na dream the future. Or J solutions. It's that CCTV no wo me de bebro. One day be doctor ne one of the aides in office. Omu ye juma mu bo ejuma. Girl no sa rose mono be yo so pon. No a receptionist. Doctor wo home ti kokoko CCTV no me de bebro. What kokoko. Abaye ko wure mu a doctor so ne aide ni aide ni to sofa mu. Doctor te ne desk echi. Abaye